What you got going on over here, Carson?
A whole lot of fuckery.
We got the lifter struts in. Control arms. Water's not on. Oh, it is. Whoa! Hunter?
King Julian!
Hunter? Nick?
King Julian!
Carson, I don't think a Hummer's supposed to be squatted.
It's unnormal. Well, abnormal.
Hey, don't be telling them about that CV clack now.
Oh, you mean this?
Hey, it don't do it when I'm driving. It only does when I'm driving. No, it's that side.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't be talking about that CV. You're going down the road like 60, 75, I feel it just... How come you haven't replaced it?
I thought you were selling it.
Hey, if somebody want to buy it, hit me up. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I drive it to Daytona right now. Nothing wrong.
It would break.
Nah.
You didn't get my car.
You don't got one.
Yeah, I do now.
Where's it
Starting
at?
Wednesday. I put a down payment on it today.
Today?
I literally can't hear anything with this Nefson over here.
You want me in a tire?
All right, so Nick had the idea to get Hunter in this tire. Hunter,
Oh my god.
and they're gonna roll him.
That 3726.
Oh,
14
geez.
wide.
This is why.
Oh, fuck this.
This is why you're not GoPros. Come on. Watch your hands.
gotta get speedy, ready.
Watch your hands.
Walk forward.
I can feel my butt hitting the concrete, cuz.
Oh no!
Fuck that. These hoes need me.
I was gonna go for 3 spins.
Carson,
I'm having a blast.
It's back.
throwing some wire up in that fender.
This is horrible.
It'd be cool if I got like a thing for this phone
You need a light, Dylan?
that had like a big light on
need a
the
light.
phone.
Oh no. This is about to be like, oh no. This is about to be like grown-ups. What we need is some 44-inch boggers.
Yeah.
Then you'll really be able to do some good.
We gotta be able to fit inside the wheel. You need a big wheel.
Next person up. Got Landon in the tire.
Maybe Lauren will take your hat off.
Yeah, I would take your hat off.
All right, keep all hands
And,
in,
yeah, keep
feet
all
inside
hands-
the vehicle.
Go. Oh shit, I'm dizzy.
Pass Lauren's car.
Hey, I got a question. Why do you think we go uphill?
What the hell?
Oh shit, cuz I'm
Going back.
upside down. Oh no shit, all hands. Hold on, cousin. Stop. Ow, bitch. Bro, this isn't funny.
Quit rolling. Not rolling, yelling.
Now be quiet.
All right, are you ready? Hold on. Here. Roll it.
Stop
I feel like I'm drunk as fuck.
Mookie. What is this? What is this?
Cheapest wheels I can find. What's it?
What's up? Cheapest wide wheels you can find.
Hey, $1,600. I ain't complaining. And I curbed one.
Did you really?
Swear to God. Where's my hat?
I think Hunter's got it. I'm not sure. He's got the rock lights put in here, wired up. Still working on the rear.
That man got some speed. Oh, back me.
Hey, Carson though, do they spin though?
No, they don't spin.
Man,
Broke boy.
broke boy.
Broke boy.
Broke boy. What's it like to be a dope boy?
That's what it's like.
That's what it's like.
Broke.
To be broke. I guess this is what it's like to be a dope boy right here in the front. Just ain't got no lift. How you feel, Landon?
Dizzy.
Bro, you got some speed.
Yeah, really?
Oh, I full on push you.
Hey, does that cover off your truck?
You go slow, and then just
Does that cover off your truck?
slow. Tyrell. And then Hunter left.
All right, so update. Hang on.
I messed up wiring.
Now they work.
Hunter's kind of cute.
Now they
Dylan's
work.
holding the wires.
Low key, kind of bright. They're all right for some $25 Amazon specials.
They just make me.
Oh yeah? Is that how you feel? Let's get back to it.
Hey Carson, I'm gonna allow you to use spray paint one more time.
Hit them rotors.
You got half the lid on, lift on, or half of it back together. Carson over here struggling a little bit.
Somebody's gonna have to volunteer to do some sketchy shit with me. No
Nope.
goes.
Those goes.
Somebody check the trunk at least.
All right, boys. Here we are at the vlog. We got me, myself, Hunter,
Okay.
Nick,
Keep going.
Carson,
Howdy.
Dylan,
Howdy.
and Graham.
She's dropping. Very slowly.
So that little powder looks pretty good.
Glad we got a tent. I'm glad I got
Yeah,
a tent.
that tent fucked up. It broke.
Alright, John.
We're getting a little wet.
Put out the jack on us.
Nick's making me a little horny.
Positive? Yeah, just go slow with it.
I don't know how this jack stand works because this thing is old as shit. Alright, she's...
It has to go.
Okay, yeah, she's done. She's off.
It off?
Yeah.
Spooky, spooky.
What doing?
Sketchy. Sketchy. Sketchy episode. I don't even know anymore. Huh? Nick. Keep going, Neil. Let me watch this thing.
Could go.
You're more physically inclined than I am.
I'm scared when this thing starts to shift. On the jack stand. Keep it going.
Today, Dylan's looking pretty cute.
I like how Carson resorted from the Crocs to completely barefoot.
Yes.
At least she looks pretty good. She looks pretty good for right now. She only got one side in.
We stripped the hub over there.
Jack it up. Some more?
Fucker, I can't count that high. Count like it's not that big. Put your back,
Damn, I hope those things shine brighter at night, though. Those little lights.
I mean, we
They were
saw
bright
it.
last night.
They were bright as hell last
Yeah, I'm
night.
talking about on the cross member, though, because look at it now. Like,
How much you want, Carson? I'm waiting on you.
Man, it looks good on that cross member. Makes it look pretty.
Yeah, that cross member's looking
It
good.
does that light. I don't
Those
know what
lights
this
are looking
thing is.
good. Oh yeah.
Going up some more?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Alright, right there.
Yeah, I wish those things were that damn bright.
Alright. Slower it. Slowly.
Hunter.
Vlog again. We're about
It
to buy.
said vlog because it's starting to get sketchy.
We're about to buy some of these little rock lights.
That's what he's
Go
got
too
under
fast.
here.
Alright.
They're pretty cool.
Good luck.
Low key. They look clean, not bulky.
He's going down.
If you look at the price,
Them Asian girl spots, man.
they're low key pretty cheap for 10.
You want me to stop it, letting it slow down, or?
Never know what I'm at.
Now it's not like just seating there better. And low key, it's kind of compressing pretty good.
On today's episode of
See if you can get it now. That looks.
Where You Wanna Be. Rest I am.
You. And Carson just
Damn, son of a fucking bitch!
Carson just fucked himself up.
What do you do?
All taped on the vlog.
What do you do? I don't know.
That's just gonna be like a replay real quick in slow motion.
What do you do?
I think
We have footage.
did you pop yourself in the face?
No, my fucking knee just went straight to the fucking jack.
Carson has now a broken leg.
2 knee casualties today. First one, Carson smacked me in the knee with a mallet. We can both take
Now-
work off tomorrow. Personal injury.
Now he's hitting the stanky leg.
Oh, there's a bug on me.
You want me to hold the spindle while you do it? I need to hold the spindle.
This squatted boy life over here, I guess.
You mean, don't
Hey,
tell
Dylan.
me shit just died.
Hold that spindle.
It's still going.
All right, hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You're supposed to put the upper, the lower, then the strut. Because the strut puts tension on everything, and then you can't get fucking bolts in.
oh, we're here now.
Jackie.
Chan.
Jackie Chan.
No, I call him Jackie because it's short for Jackass.
Short for jacket.
Please put that sticker on this truck like the Tahoe.
King
I'm
Julian!
going to.
Oh, King Julian! Hello, King Julian.
Give me another rag.
Okay, King Julian.
Here's a rag. Thank you. He was faster. Are these your rags, Carson?
Yeah.
Okay. It was kind of eating holes in it.
Okay. Nice. It's usable.
Yeah.
Scoot over a little bit.
You can still detail the truck with it.
Yep. So now we're just patiently waiting on a hub for the other side.
She said 15 minutes, but she's been longer than 15 minutes.
Well, I'm trying to get a discount because I'm broke. I just assumed you had big money like that.
How big is you?
Shit.
Sir, what did you just pull up in the driveway in?
Yeah.
A hoopty?
Uh-huh.
I think that's good enough.
Down more than what it was. Your boots just.
Once it gets pressure on it, we'll tighten it again somehow.
There's C-Hope.
Oh no, it's tight. I'm just saying your boot is the plant's not.
He doesn't touch me.
Yeah, baby, it's coming down now. Hey, buddy.
Whenever it rains there, we'll get like...
So we got Carson.
I'm talking about like a drop off. I got
It's not doing very well. We got Christian over here too. Oh, we got a hole in this thing somewhere.
Yeah, right here. It just fills right back up.
He's already soaked enough. He's just getting more soaked. Here we go.
The lights came out pretty good.
We have resorted to starting to run out because it is completely boring. So we got the lift on, we got the wheels back on.
I gotta finish tightening this up.
Both sides are on. She's on the ground, living. Carson, how you feel? He was a little stressed out earlier. And now she's all on. Now it's just torquing some stuff down and we should be good.
You have 1K for your warranty.
Looking good though. She's back on the road. We got Hayden himself over here.
No.
We got Hayden.
Yeah, but can't work punishment. You jump back over there.
It's 36 months.
Sweaty.
It's 36 months or 36,000 miles.
Back, man.
All I know is I have salmon ready for me.
Heck yeah.
My nuts hurt, man. Boom, I put my nuts in your mouth.
That's going to be a wrap for the project.
Hey, will y'all listen for him? Let's do this up front.
Well, boys, she's alive. Carson, how you feel?
Maybe it was the front tires that were making it bounce. It's not really bouncing that bad.
I got some favors.
We're driving. We're on the road, though. Hunter, how you feel?
I'm feeling a little bit better.
I'm feeling a little better. We were pulling out. I was feeling a little sketched.
Carson's wanting to go to the salvage yard and drop his truck off.
Yeah, where it belongs.
Yeah, it belongs at the salvage yard.
How much? What's it doing?
Oh God.
We got a Volkswagen about the back. That's not a Volkswagen.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Going down number uno. Oh, they're fucking.
Not gonna lie, when we were putting this thing on, we
will
were
this
not.
thing spin them?
Oh, that would want to spin them.
How's that car?
That's not. Not after we just put a lift
Let's
kit
test
back.
it. Let's test it.
Picture time.
Picture time
Hour stop.
At the salvage yard.
At the salvage yard. Yep.